Need over 700 bottles to hold the gas. That's how much it expands. So that's why that tiny little bit of liquid I put on there already made this much. And it's stretching out the balloon because it's expanding and trying to escape. And if I let it escape, then you get a rocket. And then you have a cold balloon. That means it's changing gas. So that means if I put a balloon over the top, so it doesn't leak out. There we go. Good. I put about that much liquid in there. Look how big the balloon is already. And most of the liquid is still there. What's that tell you about how much volume liquids take up compared to gases? Gases expand a lot. If it gets too big, it stretches the rubber too much. Yeah. But the point is, they're getting closer together. And they're moving more slowly because they have less energy. So they can't stretch the balloon as much. But it's not really shrinking very much, and it's not turning back to liquid. I would need something much colder to turn it back to liquid. But if this was, it is shrinking. The rubber of the balloon is also getting cold. So it sounds like aluminum foil. And as it warms up, watch what happens. Now it's warming up, it's getting its energy back, it's moving faster, and it's stretching the balloon.
Then it's going to start flying.
That's with pure nitrogen. And by the way, does it float?
No.
Okay.
It just goes, it's way heavier than oxygen.
When you cool it down below its condensation temperature, it turns to droplets of liquid.
Can I blow?
So what you're seeing are droplets of liquid water. Do you notice the cloud disappears?
Yeah.
Why does it disappear?
Because the warmth in the air makes it.
Yeah. So I cooled down the water vapor to turn it to liquid droplets, so you can see it. This is not water. I know it looks like water, but it is not water. This is air. This is air. This is air that's a liquid. And you were starting to say something earlier about freezing nitrogen. You'd have to. How much did it expand? All right, so you want to know if this balloon will float.
Yeah, like when you're
Well, let's think about it. What did I say? Nitrogen is what air is mostly made of, right?
Yeah.
This
So
is
probably not.
pure nitrogen.
So probably yeah.
What? Because if you look at, we don't have a stem.
Probably yeah. Wait, no, we don't.
Nitrogen is number 7. Oxygen is number 8. So nitrogen is actually small. Nitrogen is actually lighter than oxygen, but only slightly. Only very small.
And then it dried out. And then it dried out.
But a plastic spoon, you can touch, what if you all hold spoons? You can touch a plastic spoon because it's cold. Because it warms up really fast.
Elementary school.
See, when I put it in here, now the spoon, as soon as it stops bubbling around it, the spoon is 300 degrees below zero. But because it's plastic, and thin plastic, it only takes a little bit of your heat to warm it up. So that's why it's safe to touch it. You would not want to do that with a metal spoon.